Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to get golden chest in the Wasp King event in Garden game of Roblox BCB update. If you didn't know guys, golden chests are one of the best rewards you can get from the Wasp King event because they have a chance to contain rare and valuable items. That's why so many players are grinding this event right now. So how do you get them? The main way is by participating in the Wasp King battles as often as possible. Every time you defeat the Wasp King, you will receive a chest reward. Golden chests are a rare drop, so the more bosses you defeat, the better your chances of getting one. To increase the number of bosses you can defeat, make sure to upgrade your bee combat skills. Stronger bees deal more damage, survive longer, and help bring down the Wasp King much faster. If your bees are weak, the fight will take longer and you will be farming less efficiently. Another important tip is to help attack the boss yourself. Don't just stand around and watch your bees fight. Use your shovel and keep attacking whenever you can. The faster the boss goes down, the faster you can move on to the next event. And remember, golden chests are based on luck. Some players get one after a few runs, while others may need dozens of attempts. Don't get discouraged if you don't get one right away. Just keep participating in the events, and eventually your luck will turn around. Okay, guys, and that's all the tips to get the golden chest and Garden game of Roblox Wasp King event. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye.